This is my game Vegan Story. This game allows a player to act as a chef. As a chef, you must make food and feed your customers. Let's get into the game a little bit more. Using TK Enter, I've drawn it in 2.5D. You can see our first customers have started coming along. Right now on level 1, customers are spawning every 5 seconds. Once they are there, a timer starts. If you click the timer, food will spawn to the table. If you don't feed them before their timer runs out, your restaurant loses coins. Also, whenever a customer is fed, the food inventory will go down by 1. If food inventory gets to 0, you cannot feed anyone anymore and your customers will be sad. To prevent this from happening, you must make food. So now we will click Make Recipe. Here's a list of different different recipes I have scraped from a website using the module Beautiful Soup. In level 1, we only have 1 recipe unlocked. As levels increase though, recipes become unlocked. Based on the serving size, that is how much your food inventory will increase by. If you click Make This, you will enter a snake mini game where you have to eat all the ingredients in order to win the game. For the sake of time though, I'm going to let my snake die. You can also keep track of your customers while you're in game mode. Another thing I forgot to mention about the snake game was that as levels increase, difficulty modifiers are added into the game. For example, skulls will appear, which you cannot run into. Also, the snake length may increase faster. This is just single player mode though. Let's get into multiplayer mode. Now let's get into multiplayer mode. You see here that I have 3 terminals set up. The white one will set up our server. By default, we connect to the port 50,004. And then we'll get our first client, and we'll get our second client. Soon, pop-up windows will occur. There we go. Each side will press Y. Here we have player 0, and then we'll have player 1. You'll see that everything is synced up. This is because the players send each other messages whenever things occur in the game. If you feed one customer, the other customer will be fed as well. Really, everything in multiplayer mode works the same as single player mode. Except if you go to make a recipe, then you have 2 snakes. But for the sake of time, we won't play the game. So, this is Vegan Story. Thanks for watching.